So guys, finally after reading a lot of chapters from geography, I understood only one thing, that is 24 घंटे तो सबके पास होते हैं और उन्हीं 24 घंटों में जेफ बेजोस, शाहरुख खान, I am I and you are you। तो गड़बड़ी कहाँ है यार? जब 24 घंटे उनके पास भी है, रिक्शा चलाने वाले के पास भी है, ऑटो ड्राइवर के पास भी है, बस ड्राइवर के पास भी है, रीडर के पास भी है, लाइब्रेरियन के पास भी है, बेगर के पास भी है, तो फिर ऐसा क्यों है कि सक्सेसफुल पीपल आर सक्सेसफुल एंड वी आर हियर? जहाँ भी हैं बस हैं और क्या। हाँ, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है एग्जैक्टली? तो लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, 24 घंटे तो सबके पास है, but how we encash that 24 hours is our monopoly. Okay, how do we want to use and utilize this 24 hours in our life? You know it very clearly that time once goes cannot be recovered and you cannot stop it. Okay, it keeps on flowing. So यहाँ से तो इतना क्लियर हो जाता है कि भाई टाइम पर फोकस नहीं करना है, टाइम तो उसका काम ही है बहना, इट विल फ्लो लाइक अ रिवर। Okay? तो हम लोग कंट्रोल कर कहाँ सकते हैं? We cannot control time. It will flow. But what we can control is ourselves. What we can manage is ourselves. So this means, so इतनी सारी बातों के बाद we come to a conclusion that we need not manage time, but we do need to manage ourselves. That means more than time management, we need self-management. Are you all getting that? So, this is Vardhan Sahu welcoming you in my channel. In this video, you are going to see how you can take out at least 2 hours of productivity from your every 24 hours. Okay? So, if you want to know the secrets of how to encash your 24 hours and take out at least 2 productive hours from this huge 24 hours, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if this video benefits you, then do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video, share this video to your friends, and comment down below whatever you feel like doubt. Okay? So let's sign in the video. So if 24 hours are with everyone, so why do we feel that our 24 hours is gonna waste? Why? हमारे साथ ये ऐसा क्यों होता है यार? क्यों होता है ये? नहीं, हमारे ही 24 घंटा वेस्ट क्यों होता है? क्यों होता है यार? कोई मुझे बताएगा? Somebody please come and tell me यार ये क्यों होता है? Somebody please come and tell me यार ये क्यों होता है? हाँ, yes? अच्छा. Okay, so this is why it happens. Okay, I understood, guys. This is why it happens. Shh, let me tell you. किसी को बताना मत. ये इसलिए होता है because टफर 10 घंटा you sleep, 3 घंटा you eat, 4 घंटा you roam with friends, बाकी का 1 घंटा you gossip with your friend, girlfriend और boyfriend, और बाकी का टाइम स्टडी, कोई बच्चे स्टडी कर लेते होंगे, और बाकी का टाइम कहाँ जाता है? It just passes away। और वैसे भी दोपहर में भी आपको तो 1 या 2 घंटा सोना ही है, सोते रहो, फिर खाना पीना सोना, काम ही क्या है अपना, है ना? So guys, now you must be thinking कि इन 24 घंटों में से कैसे कम से कम 2 hours of productivity तो निकाल ले अपने लिए? Couldn't we afford at least 2 hours of self-management? Yes, we can. Absolutely, definitely we can. Okay, तो अब you must be thinking कि कैसे, how? तो टेंशन क्यों लेना? Why am I here? Hey, somebody could tell me why am I here? Hey, I am here to tell you. She is here because यही तो है जो आपको बताने वाली है, isn't it? तो फिर दिल थाम के बैठिए और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो 2 घंटे की प्रोडक्टिविटी आप अपने दिन में कैसे ला सकते हो। Okay? Keep watching. So the tip number 1 I got for you is scheduling your task. Now what do I mean by scheduling your task? See, here you can see my schedule, my work schedule. So here you can see it very clearly that I have kept my easier works on the above, and then the hard work, and then the most hard work, and then the work which I cannot do at all. Okay, so it's not like that. इसका मतलब ये है कि first you identify your work, what task you need to do, then identify what are the easier ones for you, what are the hard ones for you, and then arrange the easier one in the first place. That means do the easier ones first and then do the hard ones. Now why I am saying to accomplish the easier one first is because that when you accomplish something, it gives you a winning attitude, and that winning attitude will definitely lead you to complete your next and the next and the next task within a flow. Okay, so this means that when you complete your easier task in the first place, so that means when you keep your easier task in the first place and you first try to accomplish it, then when you have a winning attitude that yes, my one work is completed, and then you move on towards your hard work. Okay, towards the hard task of yours. Okay, so this is how you schedule your routine for your day. So here I am with the second tip. Do not at all multitask. Yes, our brain has not made to do multitasking. It has only made to focus on one task at a time and complete it with a lot of focus. Okay, we are not made for doing multitasking at a time. Okay, so this means that you need to complete and accomplish one task at a time, and do not expect yourself to become a dinosaur and eat up everything at once. Okay, don't do that. So do not multitask, complete one task at a time, and it will help you a lot. And yes, don't forget to take regular breaks, okay, because your brain needs relaxation, so your brain needs an optimum amount of rest to work properly. Okay, so hope you understood the point. So let's move on to the next point. Third point. The third point is read. Yes, now reading is very productive. See, here I can explain you the benefits of reading. Because you know what, reading is very productive, and you know what, biggest and the big successful people, biggest and the big influencers, biggest and the big successful people, they read. Reading is very important, and reading means not just syllabus books, yeah. I know many of you would be fond of reading syllabus books and getting the knowledge from there, but the better you can get is from reading books which are filled with values of integrity, okay, such values which will build yourself. Now, if you really want to be productive and you really want to be successful in your life, then let me tell you, reading is a must. Reading you need to do. There is no other option. And you know what, I know so many people who do not at all like reading, but dear, you have to read. There is no other option. You know what? Bill Gates spent 6 hours of reading every day. That means 1/4 of his day he is investing his 1/4 day in reading, gaining a lot of knowledge. Okay? Reading is very productive. And you know what? One another thing of reading is that when you read, you come across some words which you may not understand, and what you can do is just search on Google. Search out that word and remember that word and add that word into your vocabulary. Use that word day by day. Okay, use that word on your speech whenever you talk in Hindi or in English, in any language. Try to put that word inside. Okay, it will build your vocabulary. Plus, you will have a lot of words in your vocabulary, and you will not feel short of words while speaking anywhere. Okay, so this is one of the productive works I have, reading. And now, it is not like that always when you find a hard word, you find it on dictionary. Arey, Google chache hai na? Google it. Alright? So this was my third tip, that reading will be very powerful. The fourth thing is, do yoga. Now you must be thinking, yoga? Oh, it's so boring. Now let me tell you. Yoga is something which could be very, very interesting. Very interesting. You know what? Much more interesting from any other work you do. When you get into it, then you will feel the power and strength of yoga. And it is the most productive task. You know what? Why? Because yoga, you know what? Yog means judav, jod. Okay? Yog is your union. You unite yourself with your own self. Okay? You and yourself, your soul get united. And that's when you get a most higher level of energy. And thus, I can conclude that yoga is the most productive work that you can do. And you know what? In everyday routine of yours, I want you to include yoga. Impose yoga, but do yoga. Include, impose, do anything with it. It doesn't matter, but you should do yoga every day, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? You know, 10 to 15 minutes is enough for you as a starter to do yoga, okay? Because you know what, in the starting, even when I had started doing yoga, in the starting, I was just feeling like so boring, and I was just like sitting and I just wanted to find a way out of that room, out of my own self. But you know what? this is the most productive work and you need to do this. Okay? So, from my experience and my knowledge, I have shared with you all the 4 things which I could do today to make my day productive and to make at least 2 to 3 hours of my day very productive. I do all these 4 things. First of all, I schedule my tasks. Second of all, I do not do multitasking. I take regular break in between. And then third thing I do is I read a lot. Okay? At least, you know what? At least 2-3 hours or even more I invest on reading. Okay? And the next thing, fourth thing is that do yoga. Okay? And you know what? Why I kept this yoga at the last 4 point is because if I would have kept this yoga in the first point, you guys would have, left this video and gone. And that is why I have kept this yoga in the last point, so that now, if you are watching this video, do not forget to do yoga, okay? Because this is the most productive task and it unites you with yourself, and from yoga, first of all, so it will benefit you physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and also it can benefit you from all the 4 sides, okay? So hope you are getting the message, and you know what? There's somewhere inside my heart, there's a kind of a feeling that I can feel that you are going to follow all this 4. Yes? Am I right? Am I thinking right? Please, मेरे को ना सही साबित कर दो यार. कमेंट में लिखो तुम लोग कि तुम लोग ये 4 स्टेप फॉलो करने वाले हो. And not from कल, not from परसों, not from आज रात को, but from now itself. If you have time or don't have time, it doesn't matter. Take out time and read. Okay? Schedule your tasks, take regular breaks and do yoga. And you know what? Let me tell you, for doing yoga, the best time is subah ka 5 o'clock. Okay? Morning 5 o'clock. But if you are someone who is so very lazy and who cannot wake up at 5 o'clock, then it's okay. कहीं शांति पे जाके बैठ जाओ and do it for at least 20 to 30 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. मैंने यही कहा था पहले. Okay, so 10 to 15 minutes or even more, you can take it as 20 to 30 minutes and do yoga properly, and trust me guys, it will help you like anything. Okay? It will help you a lot. So believe me, trust me, do follow these steps. It will be really very beneficial for you all to follow these steps. And if you like the video, if you love the video, and if you think this video is going to be very beneficial for you, and this video you got some values, then please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, do whatever you want with it, but वो लाल से ग्रे हो जाना चाहिए. That's all I need from you. Are you getting that? Okay. And वो जो ग्रे कलर का लाइक बटन है ना, उसको प्लीज ब्लू कर देना. लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो a lot with your friends, your relatives, and you know what, also with whom you feel that उसको बहुत जरूरत है यार, वो बहुत ज्यादा नॉन प्रोडक्टिव है, उसे प्रोडक्टिविटी की बहुत जरूरत है, तो प्लीज यार हेल्प कर दो. क्योंकि let me tell you, when you serve this world selflessly, the world will serve you, the nature will serve you endlessly. Okay? तो यहाँ पर मैं selflessly serve तो नहीं करने बोल रही हूँ, बस इस वीडियो को शेयर करने बोल रही हूँ. So please do that. And what else I can say? Take care.